anniversary for Just Nailed It, and welcome to my Docuseries, Learning Acrylics. This week we are doing a Valentine's Day mani. My clear is by Modelones that Noise sent me for Christmas. I am using the Nail Junkie's Hello Kitty. It is this beautiful, beautiful, shimmery, sparkly, beautiful pink. And the ring finger is going to be Lady in Red. Love, love, love. This is a very pigmented red, I believe. I've already done some of the nails. You see these two here do have the overlay, the base coat, the base layer on them. Ring finger, as I said, is going to be Lady in Red. So, let me do the thumb first. Let me do the pink first. So, I have burnt my brush prior. Got my bead. I have drained some of the liquid out of it. Work it up towards your cuticle to keep it on the nail. Keep it on the nail. I've got a set of pearls around this hand, and it's making it a little bit more difficult to let gravity take over. But do your best. Whoops. Shoot. Gonna have to go with another bead there. Keep it up on the nail. Gonna bring it down just a smidge, let gravity take over, and let it flow down the nail some. The monomer I'm using is also a gift to me from Noi, Nails of Interest. It is the Modelones, what's the word I'm looking for? Reformulated? I'll show it to you in just a second. It's got the orange label. It's a low setting monomer, which is cool for beginners, that they can have plenty of time to work with your acrylic. There we go. There's our thumbnail. Now we go over to Lady in Red. Here is the monomer. Here's this low setting. It's got the orange label. The old one, which the smell is just atrocious, has the dark blue label, or it could be black. This one is low odor. I can't talk. Low odor. Sorry about that. I've got my sound on because I'm waiting for a message to come through, and if it does, or if and when it does, I will be pausing. So I've drained my bead. Trying to work it toward the cuticle, but not into it. Like I said, this is a very pigmented acrylic. Keep this up on the nail, your best of your ability. Dab, dab, dab. Bat, bat, bat. Dab, dab, dab. Bat, bat, bat. And I have some on the finger, which I want to remove immediately. There we go. Now, you do go back in. I'm not putting anything else under this. I'm going to go back in with my clear. Just slow down the nail. I am going to be putting a little, what are they called? It's a little metal heart. It's just the outline. I will be putting that on. Ring finger. There we go. Gonna do the same thing to the ring finger. Now these need to set. What I'm doing here, wiping it down the brush, wiping the brush down the nail, please don't do. Like here. All it does is gets your acrylic like more in your brush. You're not really helping the nail none. Going with another bead. Let it travel down the nail. Catch your sides in if you need to. I'm going to go with a real small bead here on the tip. My hand's cramping up on me. So, we're going to feather this backwards. And down the nail we are finito. Gonna put the lid on my monomer. Now, this is when you let your nails set. This will be a little bit of a tutorial. This is when you let your nails set. You let them set. You let them harden. And when they do, that's when you file and then buff. So I'm going to pause, and when they are ready, fix my little pearls. We'll be back. Alrighty, we are back. The nails are set. I have filed and buffed the thumbnail while I was in my conversation on the phone. We're going to do the ring finger. You take your file, your 180, 100, 180 file. Do your sides first. Oops. Not want to stay in, so I'm gonna gonna file the side of my nail in the cuticle area. Take advantage of that. Since we are off the nail, let me get this side as well better. Whoops. File, file, file. I'm going to take my coarser side here, back to the regular. Do my cuticle area again. I know I'm totally cheating here, right? Totally cheating. So now I'm going to take my buffer. You take this over your whole entire nail, and it does smooth out the surface. There are no brush marks or file marks. Smooth. All your nails should be like super smooth. If nothing, you've got more filing or buffing to do. So we are done with that. Let me see if I can find, where are they? Where are they? Sorry for digging on camera. I want some lint-free wipes and my isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to wipe down each nail. I know I did with the brush, but I still want to make sure there is no lint left behind. No lint left, I mean no dust left behind. So now I'm going to clean up my mess. We are going to come back and we are going to top coat. Alrighty, we are back. We are going to top coat our nails now. They are filed, buffed, and smoothed out. The mess has been cleaned up. I'm using a Modelones Mini. Seems to be a Nail Junkie and Modelones theme here. And that's alright. Wait, once you brush off really well. So you're almost up to the cuticle. Get up your free edge. And watch your nails come to life. So one thing I love about like acrylics, sparkly acrylics, glitter acrylics, is watching them come to life. I think they're just beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and cap my nails. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Oh, we're not done yet. Hold off on that comment. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. That way you get notified of all future videos. And I have I'm getting a frog. I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesday, as you see, is my Docuseries. Thursday is a crapshoot, as I call it. And on Saturday is my series for She Modern. Whoops. So check that out. Let me see here. Okay, we're going to pop these in the lamp for a full cure. I'm going to hold this in this lamp because I've got things kind of moved around today. So we're going to give this a full cure. I have a 108 wattage lamp. It's a Sun Lamp BQ60. It has got a 10, 30, 60, and 99 second timers. We have 35 seconds left to go on the lamp. We're giving it a full 60 today. Just because. Whoops. Whoopsie. So we're going to wait on that. We got 20 seconds left to go. If you're just joining me here at the end, this is my Docuseries Learning Acrylics. Today we did a little Valentine's manicure. So I'm kind of over winter. I don't want to do any more winter manicures. I did enough in December. I want to move on. Let me see here. Make sure these are cured, and they are. So here are our beautiful manicure for today. We have the 3 diamond square shape. Well, it turns it as a diamond. Now if you want to wear something like this for real, you'd want to glue those on. I just use top coat. Same with the heart, you'd want to glue that on to make sure it is secure. So now, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani. I think it turned out really super cute. What do you think? Let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. That way we get to reach more peoples. I'd appreciate it. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.